This 2018 Newmar Dutch Star 4018 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Seapearl Decor, Bermuda Glazed Maple Cabinetry-HG interior, sleeps 4, stove top burner, slideout, self-contained, external shower, air conditioning, TV, DVD player, skylight, auxiliary battery, water heater, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2018 Newmar Dutch Star 4018 is built on a Spartan chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.